Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the Freedom Charge wireless charger from BrandMotion, which makes charging so much simpler. Freedom Charge gives you the ability to charge your phone without the hassle of plugging it in or remembering to keep a charging cable in your vehicle. BrandMotion's universal wireless charging kit integrates seamlessly into most vehicles' storage trays. Their 15-watt triple coil technology allows for charging through thicker cases and fast charging on wireless charging compatible phones. Unlike some chargers on the market, Freedom Charge allows for 3 times the active charging surface of single-coil chargers. Basically, charging your phone has never been easier or quicker. As far as the installation goes, we rate this a 6 out of 10, and it'll take you about 2 to 3 hours, just depending on your vehicle application. The biggest thing to keep in mind here is if you're not comfortable with cutting or wiring, this is probably not the project for you, so check out our dealer locator below to find someone in your area to help you out. The Freedom Charge wireless charger from BrandMotion has a 1-year warranty. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Freedom Charge from BrandMotion. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.